La mulți ani Romania. Happy birthday Romania. Today is the National Day of Romania. And as you can imagine, we couldn't lose it. So we're gonna go close to the Arcul de Triumf now. As you see, I think it's almost, we are close guys, because a lot of people are going in the metro there. I don't know why it's only us going there. I think it's almost over. We came a bit late. Look at this. Everyone is coming back here in the metro. Hello everyone. So only us, like salmons. So what do we celebrate in Romania today? I told you it's the National Day. It's the Union Day, when Transylvania united with the Kingdom of Romania in the 1918. So yeah, a huge day for Romanians. As you see, everyone has flags, has things with the colors of Romania here. Really a huge day. I remember last year coming here, it was super cloudy, super cold. I will leave the video down here. I don't know if we're getting close to the Arcul de Triumf here or not, because that's where the action happens, in the Arcul de Triumf, the Arc of Triumph of Bucharest. I'm a bit lost, to be honest, because a lot of people are coming here and also from here. Sir, good morning.
Hello.
Where is the Arc de Triumph?
On this way.
So I'm going the opposite.
This way and the left side.
So if I go here, it's
No,
same?
this is restricted.
Okay,
You
so I have
can you can go here or here.
Alright guys, we're gonna go this way now. We're gonna go straight and somehow we're gonna find the Arcul de Triumf, I guess. Less people here, so we might get there sooner than on the other road. Let's see. Really nice zone, this one. You might have seen in my other Romanian videos. Really old, I would say. A lot of old buildings, yeah, old houses, apartments. Really historical zone, I think. Can I go here? Thank you. Alright guys, we're gonna go straight now. Again, I forgot some cash guys to buy like a flag or something. If I find a place that we can pay with the card, we will do that. I'm out of breath, running. Okay, I hear some music. I do hear some music there. So I think we are on the right zone somehow. Every year we are late guys. Same last year we were late. Needed to wake up earlier. But the party is not over. You will see, we'll find a lot of things now. Yeah, there are a lot of people there. The party is there, guys. I asked a lady, I would love to live here. This is another zone that I love of Bucharest, actually. I think it's called Sector 1, because Bucharest is divided in sectors, and this is Sector 1, one of the northernmost zone, I think, of Bucharest. So we arrived. They opened the gates, because here was closed, if I remember good, from last year. So we're gonna go straight here now, and we're gonna go towards the Arcul de Triumf. Oh boy, here we are. Let's go this way. Let's go this way, and that is the Arcul de Triumf. You see, here there was the parade, like all the military thing, you know, were here. And then they open the gates and everyone is going towards there, the Arcul de Triumf. Really, really nice vibe. I don't know which type of music it is, guys. I think it's like old Romanian music. Let me bring you up, guys. Look how many people. Wow, I think there are hundreds or thousands of people actually. Super sad that we don't have the flag, guys. Only us, I think. Look, everyone has the flags. Almost everyone, okay. I told you, if as soon as we found a place that we can pay with cards, we're gonna take it. Or something small, you know, like a souvenir. I want one. I want a flag, guys. I feel left out, like every year. Every year I forgot the cash, and every year I get left out, guys. I feel left out. Oh, it's open up there? Oh my God. I want to go up there. Shall we go up there, guys? What do you think? Up in the Arcul de Triumf. I think it's fantastic up there now, because you see a lot of people. We went already, if you saw in another video, but and we tried again this summer, but it was closed like. So now it looks open, I guess, or I don't know if it's personnel, like staff there. You see those people? But first, let me close the jacket, because it's getting a bit chilly now walking. 1st of December. Shall we take one of those flags, guys? What do you think? Do you think anyone noticed? Look how beautiful. Okay, let's get closer to the Arcul de Triumf, guys. I want to ask if we can go up. Oh boy, I love this flag. Let's do a photo with this. Let's ask someone. Yes. People are dressed like traditional Romanian, with traditional Romanian dress. Who should we ask? Sorry, can you take me a photo too after? Can you take me a photo, please? All right, let's wait. It always looks sleek, clean, this arc. You know? I don't know if they clean it every week or what. Alrighty, guys, let's do it. Let's do it. You're amazing. Thank you very much. Thank you. Guys, amazing photos. Love it. Oh my god, I wanted to sit there. Why we didn't come early, guys? You should have woke me up. You see, there are a lot of journalists. Of course, it's one of the main day of Romania today, so yeah, everyone is here. Look how nice. I don't know if we can try to get up, guys, because it will be full for people that wants to go up. I'm not sure when this arc was built, actually. I think 1922 I saw something written on the arc. Yeah, I think yes. And if we go straight there, I think this Piazza Presea is called, like the old communism place where there were all the communications, you know, like the media department. Done photos. Okay, let's try to get up in the arc now, in the arch arc. Oh my god, is it full? Look at this arc, guys. Look, everyone is dressed with traditional. A lot of people, let's say, are dressed with traditional clothes. I think it's closed. I think it's closed, guys. Oh my god. I don't know if it's closed or not. Let's go and check, guys. It's closed here? Closed, guys. So I think the personnel is up. Only the personnel can go up. And here you see the cameras thing, you know. So nice. And what a beautiful day. Next, where should we go, guys? I don't know if we should go straight there in the department of media of the old communism, or we should go on the other side. I don't remember where we would end up on the other side. They are interviewing someone. I'm not sure who. Where is my flag? I need a flag, guys. Oh boy. How nice is from here, the Arcul, the Arc de Triumf. One of the main landmarks here in Bucharest, Romania. You hear a lot of sirens here, guys. I don't know if you can actually hear it. I do hear it. There are all these departments. There is the car of the police here, I would say. They chose Dacia because Dacia is from here, from Romania. I'm sure a lot of people, young people, will decide today to get into police, guys. I'm telling you. Look how nice is this car. I love the design of the new Dacia, actually. Oh, this is Gendarmeria. I don't know what's the difference. I love this Ford, guys. I love this type of cars. It's called pick-up in Italian, this type of cars. Like open on the back. My god, I want that too. Can I get that too? Please. Mulțumesc. Fantastic, mulțumesc. We too, guys. We found it. No flag, but we found it. Oh my god, it made it very big, but it's nice. I like it. Nice. So now I feel in the group, guys, in the team. Got it, blended. Imagine being a kid, a child, and seeing this. You get really thrilled, as I am thrilled. Oh, there is like traditional Romanian music, guys. Wow. Listen to this. And look, there is the TVR, the National Romanian TV crew here. I wonder where they are. Can someone interview me, please? I would love to be interviewed, guys. Now, exactly now, I would love to be interviewed. Remember that time we got interviewed? All of us, actually 2 times was happened. And third, I said I don't speak Romanian, so she gave up. But nice. You see, they're still here. It's a huge flag. Where you took, big boy? It's getting a bit windy actually now. Okay, this one is antenna 1, I notice. So I guess that's the best angle, because if everyone is there, this is the best angle. I'm thinking to go up in the stage, guys, to tell them if they want to get an interview. No, if I can get an interview with them, would be very nice. Oh boy. But these things happen when you least expect, I told you. When we least expected, we found a TV crew there to get an interview. But I still want a flag. If I see someone with a flag, I will ask them if I can buy. 1918, so today is this year is 2025. How many years is that? I think it's like 18 was 100 year, 1920, so I think it's 117 years or something like that. I'm not good at math, guys, so don't blame me. 117 years, and excuse me if I'm wrong. Oh, look, there was a flag here. Can't get more Romanian than this, guys. I lost the National Day of Albania, guys, but because the National Day of Albania is like 29th of November, but I couldn't miss this one, the 1st of December here in Romania. So yeah, at least we got something today. I still remember today was a big day for Romania, but I forgot about Albania, guys. Hold on, I think I found something. We're gonna take this flag now, guys. Found it. I couldn't leave it there. Could I? I mean, they will take it anyway, so here we are. And I think this one, well, it's a bit dirty, guys, sorry, but it's a brand of Romanian sweets. Authentic Rom. Here. Better than nothing, you know? My God, look at that. How huge is this flag? There is something here, I don't know what it is, but it's a huge building, old building, and they put one of the biggest flag I've seen of Romania. I don't know if it's a, you know, a residential building or what, a museum, I don't know. In acesta lui a studiat Nicolae Labiș. Someone called Nicolae Labiș studied here. One of the most important poets, Romanian poets. Wow, look at this. Look at this flag, huge. I think it's like 10 meters, that flag, or so, even bigger. Well, now I would love to close my jacket actually, but the point is I have this in my hand. I don't know how to close it. Let's put it here one sec. Can it stay here? No. Can it stay somehow here? Like this. It fell. I will take it. Okay, jacket closed, guys, because it's getting a bit chilly and we took the flag again. Not sponsored, by the way, guys. Just for your information, yeah? And I never tried this sweet. Actually, I have to try, I'm curious now. It saved my day, I mean, at least to try it, right? To buy one, I think they are small like biscuits or chocolate or some. So yeah, it saved my day because it gave us the flag. Yet not sponsored. There are a lot of statues there. I'm gonna indicate with this now. I'm gonna point with this. There are a lot of statues here. There. And I don't know if you can notice, guys, other than this big trash can, but there is a sign right there. There is camera, and there is the Wi-Fi. There is free Wi-Fi here in Romania, in the parks. Imagine. Is it the same in your city? Because it's not the same in my city, as far as I checked, as last time I checked. So yeah, we're gonna get stuck now. Okay, let's go this way. Oh boy, it's crowded here, guys. I saw someone from Portugal, guys, there. So there are other countries, so I'm sure there is also Italy. I don't know where. That is Poland right there. Okay, where is Italy? Macedonia, North Macedonia. You see the flag there. Might be Albania too, what do you think? In Italy? Spain, I see from the plate. There are all the European countries, I think, that came to celebrate the National Day of Romania. It's not over yet. Well, that was interesting. I thought we lost all the, you know, all the fire, guys, all the thing, but no, all the parade. No, we took it. Amici miei, I hope you enjoyed the day. It was a really nice day. I told you it's the National Day of Romania. So again, happy birthday, Romania. It's a very special day. I hope you enjoyed the episode, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So nice, this dog. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and until then, see you next time. Ciao!